What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of CryptoRuff, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. I hope you guys like the new intro. Give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and let me know down below what you think of it. So guys, taking a look at the markets today, we see the total market cap is around $545 billion. Now this has gone down a little bit in the last couple hours. It was higher this morning, and yesterday we did see Bitcoin in the green, pretty much everything in the green yesterday. So we've been slowly working our way up after the crashes from the FUD over in Korea and India about different exchanges closing and different regulations, and the market has slowly pulled back up. So we see Bitcoin sitting over $11,000. Now I'm really curious to see, as today is the 25th and most of us know that tomorrow, January 26th, Wall Street will have a couple futures programs ending, and most of those are saying that the price of Bitcoin is going to be going down. So I'm curious to see if we see some pump and dump from big whales in the market that really try to manipulate the market. Just know I have a feeling that if we see the markets start crashing before tomorrow or early tomorrow morning, that it probably is some type of market manipulation. So the best thing to do in situations like that is to not panic sell, is to hold. So that's just something that may happen because of the futures contracts ending. I don't know for sure, so I'm curious to see if this is the start of that. We just saw everything start taking a little downtrend this morning, and that's obviously going to mean sell-offs because you see it wasn't at a bigger peak here. It did kind of sell off here, go down, and now it rose back up and people are selling again. So it could just be trading this morning, but it could be the start of some pump and dump market manipulation. So we shall see, but nothing to worry about. If the market does go down, we will see it come right back up. So just keep that in mind when looking at the markets the next couple days here. So now a new update from Davorcoin that I think is really cool. So Devore released this update today, early capital release feature update. Dear Devore community, we are happy to announce that the lending system has been updated. This major update will allow you to better control your lending money in our platform. From now on, when you make a lending package, you will be able to end it anytime you want after the first 14 days before the official release date. How does it work? Very simple. There is a button to release next to each lending package. Click on it to open the release pop-up window, in which you will see all details regarding your lending package. Enter your password and click on the checkbox I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Finally, click on the confirm button when it's done. So here we see a little example of what this is going to look like on new packages. We see the lending dates. It was lent on January 24th and it would normally be released November 19th. Someone invested $1,000. We see interest earned for in the first 30 days, interest earned from day 31. There's a processing fee and then the amount released. So it looks like they take a small percentage of the processing fee. If you're familiar with CDs in banks or other special savings account in banks, it's the same thing. You can lend them your money for a certain amount of time and earn a small bit of interest on it. But if you want that money back before the release date, you have to pay a small processing fee. So this is very typical and a lot of banks do this. And so it's cool to see Devore kind of taking that safety precaution, because sometimes life happens and we need access to our money now. And so that's a way for them to give us access to our money now. Of course, it costs them a small processing fee. So what are the conditions to end a lending package? When you prematurely end a lending package, you will get back your initial capital. You only have to reimburse the interest you already received in the first month and 50% of the interest from the second month. Example 1, if you've got $1,000 in lending, after 15 days you've already received $100 in interest. If you decide to end this lending package on the 16th day, you will reimburse $150 to get back $1,000. Example 2, if you've got $1,000 in lending, after 40 days you've already received $400 worth of interest, $300 in the first month and $100 in the second month. If you decide to end this lending package in the 41st day, you will reimburse $350 to get back the $1,000. In addition, there's a small processing fee of 2.9%. So this just protects them from any loss, with adding the safety feature of knowing, hey, I can get my money back if I need to. This update will not impact existing lending packages. So what does that mean? If I come over to my Devore lending here, you see my lending packages down here, and you see no release button here. So there's the space for the release button, but there's no release button. Why? Because these lending packages are older. Now, if I do a newer lend, I would see a little release button here by the side. So definitely pay attention to that. It does not affect these old ones, but from now on, the lends you do will have a release button next to them. So keep that in mind if you're not seeing that right now. Of course, it's up to you to take advantage of this new amazing feature. Only you will decide how to invest your money. Please do not hesitate to contact support if you have any questions, we're here to help. Thank you for making Devore a trustworthy lending platform. We're working hard every day to make it better for the long-term benefits of our fast-growing community. So the community has been growing a lot, and a lot of the Devore community are really happy. Now, I'm not a promoter of Devore or anything, but I really am taking advantage of these high interest rates here. And so I've currently earned just over $50 solely from lending, and that's starting on my $130 lend. So just showing that I'm gaining my capital back fast here on Davorcoin. Now, I have earned a little bit also from referrals, and they have a great referral program if you know friends and family that you'd like to have sign up under you to help you all earn better. But I'm mostly focused on earning here, and then I really want to get into the staking aspect of the website because they do have this awesome online staking platform here where you can start staking if you have at least one Davorcoin, and you basically stake for 10 days. But this video is mostly just to show you this cool update here on their lending platform, just so you're aware of it, so you know now that there is less of a risk to lending your money. And I think they're definitely doing this because of what happened to the BitConnect community. They really want to build a trustworthy community that isn't afraid to lend and that has access to their money when they want it. They're just protecting us and themselves from any criticism. So I think that was very noble of the Devore community to do. What I really like about Devore is their updates. Every one of their updates has come and been really encouraging and have been really transparent, and the team has really been open and very communicative. I really like how communicative the Devore team is, and that they have a great support system. So that's something that I'm really enjoying about their program. If you haven't signed up yet, guys, you're welcome to use the link down below and sign up under me, or just go to devore.io and sign up under a friend or other family. And just be aware that there's another great lending program out there. There's a great staking program on this website as well. So check it out, guys. Really liking Davorcoin. Now let's head over to my Discord chat. If you guys didn't know, I have a Discord chat I just released. We've got a number of members. Looks like there's about 10 of us since yesterday. I would love to have you join our Discord community. Let's move me here. We've got talk about general stuff with memes. We're talking about wallets. We're talking about different exchanges. We're talking about different ICOs, altcoins, spots for Bitcoin purists, a place where people can come spam their links. People are definitely taking advantage of that, hopefully getting people to sign up under them. And then of course I have a Davorcoin spot that I just added where I release this Davorcoin update. So as soon as I find out updates, I'm releasing them on the Discord chat to keep our community, the CryptoRuffians, up to date. So welcome to the CryptoRuffian community. If you have joined the Discord chat, and if you haven't yet, we would love for you to join our CryptoRuffian community, where we support one another, where we encourage one another, and where we learn and grow with one another, keeping on top of updates and letting you know as soon as things release. I'm really excited about having this Discord chat. It should be the first link down below that you can see. The Discord app is absolutely free, so definitely come join our Discord community, and we would love to have you aboard. So let's go ahead and just look at a question from today that I noticed. One I picked out was, what wallet are you using for Litecoin? So thank you, Jacqueline Zelda. I actually use the Exodus wallet for Litecoin. Exodus is an offline wallet that I can keep on a computer. It's a great place to store Litecoin and other coins like EOS or Ethereum or Bitcoin, just keeping everything safe. I don't like to keep the coins I hold on an exchange. Anything I hold long term, I keep in a wallet, and a reason for that is because it takes more steps for me to want to sell those coins. So it means in order to sell, I really need to take the time and transfer the Litecoin to an exchange like GDEX and send it there, and then decide to click the sell button. And it really is a safeguard for me so that I don't panic sell if I get worried, so that I take the time and think before selling or moving around coins. So great tip for using hardware wallets like the Trezor, or offline wallets like the Exodus wallet. So definitely check it out. Exodus is a great wallet. You can just search Google Exodus wallet and download it for free, which is really awesome. Very safe, very secure, and it has a great backup as well. So guys, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope you guys learned something new and you enjoyed the new intro, and I'm really excited to go forward this year in 2018, building this community and growing and learning together. So there's a little Davorcoin update for you guys. Some other videos we have coming this week. I really want to talk about Steemit. I really like Steemit, so I'm excited to talk about that. I want to get into talking about VeChain and Electroneum and just some new cryptocurrencies, and possibly looking for a new ICO as well to start looking at. And a few of you have mentioned doing some of my favorite cryptocurrencies that currently cost under $10, so it looks like we'll be doing one of those videos as well. So So definitely, if you have ideas for the channel or content you want to see, put them down in the comments below. I always make sure to read my comments, to respond when necessary, and to look for what you guys want to see content-wise on the channel that I can cover. If you guys haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video, like this video, and comment a question down below. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.